Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to take cuttings of night blooming jasmine. In Hindi, it is called Raat Ki Rani. This is a very beautiful, nicely fragranted flowers, and they bloom in the evening time, and the clusters, thousands of flowers in a clusters, and they bloom in the evening time, and the beautiful fragrance, nice fragrance, sweet nice fragrance in the evening time. And you see, this is the cluster here, and these types of cluster, thousands of clusters bloom every time, every evening, and they bloom nicely. So now I am showing you how to take cuttings. Just take cuttings, thin cuttings, around 5 millimeter of diameter cuttings you can take with a sharp blade, nice new sharp blade. You take cuttings, these are, you have to grow in sand, river sand, and in that case you have to use hormone powder. If you want to, if you don't have rooting hormone powder, you can take thicker stems around 1 centimeter diameter, that is a pencil thick cuttings, and take around 45-degree angle, and this can be grown in soil media. In the plain soil media you can grow this cutting without using any rooting hormone powder. So you can grow in with rooting powder, without rooting hormone powder, whatever you like. Just see how I am doing now. Welcome back, friends. Now I have taken cutting of the thin cutting that I will be growing in river sand, and that is in Hindi it is called Bajri or construction river sand. I am just pruning it properly, just trim it, make it a shape of around 6 inches length, and I'm cutting it short around 6 inch length, and tip I'll be removing the tip also. So these are the cuttings I'm making ready, and the flower portion I am cutting off, and the tip portion I am cutting off. It is not mandatory that you have to cut off the tip portion, but if you grow the cuttings with without tip portion, that will grow nice. Now I am taking a little bit of water in a bowl, and I am showing you how to grow it, how to use hormone powder, rooting hormone powder, any kind of rooting hormone powder. This is the Bajri or river sand. Just moist it with proper watering, and water it full so that the water can percolate to the bottom. And after the water is percolated from the bottom, now I am showing you how to use hormone powder. If you don't want to use hormone powder, you can grow directly in the garden soil also. So in that case you may not use hormone powder also. In that case I am showing you, take around 6 inch length of cutting around. This is a pencil thick cuttings. I am taking cuttings, and the thin cuttings you may grow in sand with the rooting hormone powder, and thick cutting you can grow directly in the soil media. And I am showing you how to do it. Just watch the full video. I am showing you, and at the end I will show the results also. So results are coming on your way. So just see, the sand is just moistened, and now make some holes here with the back side of a used ball pen. You can make some holes here, and after that you have to take the cuttings and moist it with water here, and now use some hormone. This is the cutting edge powder, rooting powder. It is contains indole butyric acid or indole acetic acid or naphthalene acetic acid, any kind of rooting hormone powder you can use, and just push it down in the river sand. Just see how I am doing it. And likewise you grow every thin cutting around 5 millimeter diameter cutting you can grow in river sand or Bajri. And make sure the river sand is always moist. You have to sprinkle water every day in your river sand or any of the cutting media, because the cutting media should be always moist up to the rooting. And if you grow in soil also, you have to make it sure, and there should be a node area at the bottom, because nodal area is the area where the roots will come out. So this is very essential. Now water it and sprinkle water it small bit, and just keep it in semi shade area for around 10 to 15 days, and sprinkle water every day so that the moist media should be always moist. Now I am showing you, if you don't have any rooting hormone powder, then you have to take thicker stems around a pencil thick, 1 centimeter thick, and just push it down in the soil. Soil should be moist before, and then after collecting of the, and the upper side should be the upper region, and the lower side should be pushed down to the soil. That you have to mark the polar region, the upper portion the upper side, and lower portion should be pushed down to the soil. This is the polarity you have to maintain, must. Now I am growing this cutting, and sprinkle water every day, keep it in semi-shade area, and you may sprinkle little bit of fungicide once in 5 days. And if you want, you can use cutting hormone powder, or if you don't want, you don't have any rooting hormone powder, you can go for without it also. Now sprinkle water little bit and keep it in semi-shade area for around 15 days, where the good airflow should be there, but indirect sunlight should come in here, so that the roots can grow well. And in 5 days, once you can apply fungicide, 2 gram per liter fungicide, any fungicide sprinkle around there, and there will be a nice rooting. So this is the all of growing coating, and you have to keep it in semi-shade area. And after a couple of days around, you see in 15 days you will see the nice rooting is there. Now I'm showing you the results. 15 days back we have grown some cuttings, and in soil, in sand only. So that result I am showing you. Just keep on watching. Welcome back, friends. This is the cutting I have done 15 days back in river sand only, and this is only using the rooting hormone powder, which is very thin. Now I am pulling it out from the soil, and just see with the pressure of the pen, back side of the pen with the pressure little bit in the lower side pressure, just pulling it out. This see what is the rooting here, how much rooting is occurred here. You see nice rooting, and putting in water, you see, and how much rooting has occurred in here in small stick. You see how much rooting is here, nice rooting. And I am showing you another, pulling it out, another one I am showing you. And this is the nicest method, best method to, you see, this is the also nice one. All the roots are grown, and you now you can transplant it in soil media. So soil media I am showing you. Just take a dry soil, garden soil, good quality garden soil, and mix some compost, vermicompost or cow dung compost, mix a little bit. And now take around 3-inch pot, and I am transplanting in 3-inch pot. See how I am transplanting it. And after transplanting it, you sprinkle water in here, keep it in semi-shade area for 4 to 5 days, then you can keep it out in full sunlight. So this is the all the process of growing cuttings of night blooming jasmine or Raat Ki Rani. This is the easiest method. Just grow the cuttings, 10 to 12 cuttings, and you can grow in your home, or you can distribute among your friends or relatives. So this is the cutting method. You see what are the qualities of root in this cutting media. So this is the easiest and finest method of growing cuttings of night blooming jasmine. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Just do and take cuttings from this any of the park and grow it in your home, and there will be lots of cutting in here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.